Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Room fresheners are becoming a household essential. It is an affordable way to deal with the unpleasant scent at home. These days, there are so many different types of air fresheners available for you to choose from that it can be hard to decide which one is best for your need. That is why we have listed the best room fresheners available in the market. In this video, I have shared the list of top 5 best room fresheners in India. Please watch the video till the end. If you have any query, then write us in the comment box. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share. And don't forget to subscribe.